Hello everyone, today I am going to be filming a video that I'm pretty sure was a trend on YouTube maybe like a year or 2 years ago. So I am really late to this, but I remember I thought I was going to do one and I really wanted to do one, but I just never did. And then basically, maybe like a couple of weeks ago, one of my friends sent me a link to a website selling, I haven't even said what it is yet, but you've seen the title, selling these, and I was like, oh my goodness, yes, I never did it. I'm gonna do one now. I have got some lost luggage here. This is apparently someone's lost suitcase from an airport that I have bought. So basically, if you lose your suitcase when you're at the airport and it doesn't get claimed after a certain amount of days, there are these websites that apparently buy those suitcases and then sell them on so that they go to a home. I don't know why you would want to do this. I mean, I've just done it, but it's purely for the YouTube video. Like a regular person, why do you want to buy someone else's stuff? But apparently there's a market for it because people do it. And I'm not gonna lie, as soon as it arrived, me and Alex just sort of looked at it and we were like, seemed like a fun idea at the time. Now that it's here, why does this feel a little bit uncomfortable? Like it just feels weird knowing that inside here there's potentially someone's stuff that they've lost and now I have it. I'm starting to feel like a bit of a weirdo, but I promise I'm not a weirdo. I mean, this would be insane, but if this is legit and it is someone's suitcase and they happen to come across this video, let me know. I will send this to you for free. Have your stuff back, honestly. If there's some way of you proving that it's yours, I will send it to you for free. Genuinely. That brings me on to my point as to why I'm most interested to do this. This isn't about like snooping through someone's stuff and judging their things. Like the reason I wanted to do this is because I was really intrigued to try and work out if it's actually legit or not. Like I feel like by going through it, we'll be able to tell if this is genuinely someone's lost suitcase or if it's just a company who gets a suitcase, chucks a load of cheap crap in there and then sells it for way more money just to make money. I wouldn't be surprised if there's people who do that. So that's kind of what I want to do here. I want to try and work out if it seems legit or if I've been scammed. And honestly, I'm fine if I have been scammed because then at least I haven't got someone's luggage in my house. Okay, so this is me in the past when I'm about to make the order. This is the website. It says full lost and unclaimed airport luggage cases. Apparently they were originally $99.99 each, but it's currently on sale for $79.99. So this is going to cost me £80 for a lost suitcase, which I mean, depending on what's inside, I guess that might be alright. I mean, this is the picture. They seem to have a lot of suitcases there. Ever wondered what happens to abandoned and lost luggage, London Heathrow? While most people are reunited with their belongings, sometimes people don't claim them. And now there's a sustainable and economical way of dealing with the lost luggage. The airport auctions them off to give the abandoned cases and the items inside a new forever home. Personal details are removed from the luggage before they're sent to us, but apart from that, everything is left as is. Everything is left as is. That's the bit that I'm curious to see if that's true. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm gonna add one to my cart and make my purchase. I will, yeah, cut back to the video and hopefully it's arrived. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get on with it. I mean, first of all, this is what arrived. It arrived looking like a suitcase. It's on wheels, I don't know if you can see. And then it's just in this kind of black bag with a bit of tape around it. This is the website, by the way, that I got it from. Yeah, I think the first thing I need to do is cut all of this off. One sec. Okay, so the packaging is off. This is our suitcase. It's ours now, apparently. It's a silver suitcase. It's a hard one. What do you call this? I was gonna say a hardback. Is that what you call it? A hard shell suitcase. It's really heavy, I forgot to say. It feels really heavy. It feels like it is stuffed with things. So that's promising. It does have a couple of like padlock pieces on it, but they've arrived already open, obviously. But yeah, this is the main like opening. So I guess we just do it. I'm kind of scared. There could be anything inside of here. Literally anything. Anyway, whatever. It is time to open it. After 3, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's off. Okay. At least it's not empty. That's good, that's good. If it was empty, that would have been quite the scam. Yeah, that is a pair of underwear. I mean, that is to be expected, really, isn't it? Is it worn or is it clean? That is the question. Didn't really think about that. Anyway, Shall we begin? Okay, so first things first, we have a few of these travel bags, but they're all empty. I feel like surely these should have things in them. These are the kind of things that you'd put like toiletries in and stuff like that, but they're all empty. We've got 1, 2, slightly bigger one. We've got 3, another big one, and then we've got a 4th one that's a bit smaller, but they're all empty. Like, who takes these on holiday with them? All empty. So that is my first thing that makes me a little bit suspicious. I mean, we've got some underwear. I feel like, again, the company could easily just throw things in and screw it up a little bit to make it look more realistic. I don't know, it's making it feel more realistic, but I don't know if that means it is. Do you know what? They could have so easily just bought like a pack of Primark underwear and just kind of scrunched them up and shoved them in. Got a lot of thongs going on. Oh, there's more. How many days were they going away for? Although, to be fair, you do take quite a lot of pants when you go on holiday. I am not a thong enjoyer, I'll be honest. More! Not that I was gonna wear them anyway. Oh, damn. Yeah, funnily enough, I'm not really expecting to find anything here that I'm gonna actually make use out of, because just in case it is real, that would feel so wrong. But then what am I gonna do with all of this? I haven't thought this through. What am I doing with all this? I mean, obviously I can't do much with the underwear, but if there's clothes that seem good, I guess I can... We have one of those like bins near us for like charity clothes, so I guess I can put it in that. We have this. It has a label on it. Suspicious. I mean, okay, they could have like done an order on Boohoo just before they went on holiday and then just shoved it all in and didn't take the tags off. But I mean, it also makes it feel a bit like it's just random stuff that's been bought and shoved in. What is this? Oh, it's like a beach bikini cover-up kind of thing. So I'm guessing this is meant to be a beach holiday, maybe going somewhere hot and sunny. What is this? This is just like a piece of material. Oh, it's got stains on it. Hang on a minute. I feel like a little detective. The stains make it feel more legit. Okay, I've no idea what this is. It's like a napkin. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is like a little skirt. Again, I think it's sort of meant to be a bikini cover-up kind of thing, because it's got loads of holes in it. So I imagine you wouldn't just wear this normally. I feel like if this is fake, they're doing a good job at keeping the theme. Like, so far it's feeling very beach holiday vibes, so you know, they're doing all right. Am I congratulating a scammer here? Potentially. We've got a bright pink skirt. Ooh, it'll be interesting to see if all the sizes are the same as well, because that could be a bit of a giveaway. If like the sizes are all different in the clothes, it would seem more like a scam, whereas if they're all the same, it would make more sense. So this is a size 18. Now let me find another like clothing item. Okay, we've got some shorts. Okay, these are a size 20, so a similar kind of size. So that's seeming quite legit. A pair of shorts. These also have a tag on it still, and it's also from Boohoo. Okay, we've also got, let me guess. It just feels like I'm doing a fucking Boohoo haul at this point. What is this? Is this like, oh, a pair of like black flowy trousers. This one is a size large. So again, I feel like the sizes are matching up. Okay, so we've got this pink shirt. This is from Primark. Whoa, we have something fancy here. What is this? I think this is meant to be a skirt. This is from Primark. It's a size 20. Damn. This was in case she was feeling fancy, I guess. A little night out on holiday. I'm starting to get into it now. I'm starting to actually believe that it's real. But also, I still don't. We've got some denim. Okay. Maybe a pair of jeans. Oh, okay. We've got some like jean shorts. These are, again, from Primark, size 20. Oh, shit. I didn't even notice there was a bra here. Okay, well, my girl has some bigger titties than me. Like, way bigger. We've got a black bra. Okay, we've got another bra, but it's the same one, again, just in nude. I apologise if this is legit and I'm currently showing you bras on the internet. Please forgive me. We've got another shirt. This is just a plain white shirt, again from Primark. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this a dress? Okay. It's like a long yellow dress. Where is this from? We have something different. This is from ASOS, size 18. Again, label's still on. So far, like 99% of the items have still had the label on. I just think that makes it suspicious. It's just like a little shirt in this funky pattern. Primark, extra large. The only reason I keep saying the sizes is because I feel like it is interesting to see that they are all the same size. But again, a scammer could have thought about that and been like, let's make sure all the stuff we put in is the same size so it looks legit. So it's hard to tell if that makes it seem real. Okay, this is like a kind of ruffly dress. Again, another kind of fancy going out in the evening item, I guess. It's just a long length black dress. Where is it from? No way! I would never have guessed. It's from Boohoo. Never heard of that one. I need a position change. I'm getting a dead leg. Okay, finally like a normal top. I feel like we were definitely lacking just regular summer kind of tops. This is just, you know, a little vest kind of thing. It is from Primark. Okay, this looks like a t-shirt. Ah, wait, that's kind of cool. And it's got a painting on the back of the Starry Night. Oh, this is from ASOS. We've got another dress, just again, a long length black dress. Oh, this is Pretty Little Thing. A different shop, finally. Label still on though, as always. Okay, another little vest top. This one's more of like a cropped one. This is H&M. Okay, so suddenly we've got a variety. Like the further down you go, the more variety we're getting. Okay, this looks like another skirt. It's just a little black skirt. This one is from Boohoo. They're back again. We have another t-shirt. Yeah, it's inside out. Let me sort it out. Do you think they just purposely put some things inside out to make it seem more like it was just casually thrown in? Actually, oh my goodness, I've just had a thought. If the labels are on right, that means these items won't have been worn yet, so it's got to be the suitcase on its way to the holiday, not on the way back. But who packs their suitcase like this on their way to the holiday? Like this messed up and like things all scrunched up. I feel like you do it all folded nicely, or is that just me? So that doesn't add up. Like the vibes of the suitcase are giving on your way back, you just lob it all in. But then the labels are on, which is giving suitcase on the way to holiday because it's not been worn. Scammers, I'm on to you. I'm actually having so much fun being a little detective, like really. Okay, I've been hanging on to these because I thought surely there's going to be more, but there's just one pair of socks in this entire suitcase. I'm sorry. Who goes on holiday and just takes one pair of socks? Actually, unless it is, well it clearly is, like a summer beach holiday. I guess you don't really need socks if you're going to be wearing sandals. So maybe they just threw one in just in case. So actually maybe that is believable. Damn it. I thought I was onto them again. Okay, we have this very fancy material dress. It's like a little off the shoulder dress in this metallic blue. Very fancy. It's from Boohoo. I guess this is kind of like a little blouse kind of thing. It is, of course, from Boohoo. Label is on. Another inside out item. But yeah, this is just another little sort of simple vest. Again, from Primark. Oh, size 14 to 16. I guess that is a little bit different to the rest. But again, I know sizes are always different in different shops. And I think that is it for clothes. I think we're on to bikinis and accessories now and just random things. That was a lot of clothes. If that was real, how long do we think they were going away for? I guess it could be a week. Okay, so for shoes, we've got these. They're just like some sandal things. Oh, they're Birkenstock sandals. That's like a brand, isn't it? I mean, yeah, seems like the kind of shoes you'd take on a kind of beach holiday. So that adds up. And then we've got an absolute ton of bikinis and swimming costumes. Like this to me is another suspicious thing. Like who takes this many bikinis? Even if I was planning to go in the pool and to the beach every single day, I don't think I would take that many because like you can kind of wear them more than once. Okay, I'm just gonna whiz through these. We've got this swimming costume with a kind of cutout in it. What is going on here? Some bikini bottoms. We've got some more bikini bottoms. Oh, these are from Shein. They've still got the like sticky bit in the crotch, like the hygiene thing, so they definitely haven't been worn. We've got a third pair of black bikini bottoms. Oh my goodness, no, there's more. Is this bikini bottoms as well? Oh my goodness, stop. We've got some more. Not another one. This is crazy. Okay, do we have any tops? Okay, this looks like a top. We've got a bikini top. We've got another bikini top. We've got another bikini top. Okay, we've got another swimming costume. This one is inside out. I think this is another swimming costume. The last one. They were all black and then there's just one bright pink bikini top. No matching bottoms, just one bright pink bikini top. Yeah, that whole section alone just seems suspicious to me. Like, that doesn't seem like a genuine suitcase. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. When do I go on holiday? What do I know? People who holiday, like, Does that seem like a reasonable amount of bikinis and swimming costumes to take, or does it seem like a lot to you? We've got a little hat. We've got a bucket hat in this kind of cream colour. Then we've also got another hat. This one is a cap. I kind of like this one actually. It's kind of cool. It's in this sort of acid wash grey colour. This might be my favourite item in the whole suitcase. A grey cap. But I mean, let's be honest, this whole thing has just not been my style at all. But that is okay. I wasn't buying it in hopes to get some items for myself. We've got a mirror. Oh my. It's very scuffed. Like there's little marks on it. It kind of feels like it's used. But yeah, it's just like a little handheld mirror kind of thing. That's random. Because there's not been any like random things. It's all been clothes. But then there's just a random mirror. We also have a random spoolie eyebrow brush. It's like a little pink one. I don't think it looks used. I mean, it's hard to tell. Just a random spoolie like that in there. Who would go on holiday and just pack that without a makeup bag with makeup? Just that. What are you spoolieing? And then finally, we have 2 spot stickers. You know the little stars that you put on a spot and it's supposed to help it? 2 of those. 2 of them have been used. And then there's 2 left, just randomly like that. I mean, that does seem like something you might throw in, I guess. But again, it would be in like a little makeup bag, surely, like a little toiletry bag. There's none of that. That is literally it now. That is the suitcase all empty. Okay, before I give my thoughts on this, I want you guys to comment below. There's 3 options here. Do you think that option 1, this is genuinely someone's lost luggage, it hasn't been touched, this is as it was, and this is legit? Option 2, this is a complete scam, this is just a random suitcase, they've bought a load of cheap stuff, shoved it in and sold it for 80 quid. Or option 3, it's kind of a mixture. They've received lost luggage, taken out the good stuff, thrown in a few extra bits to make it believable, and then sold it, which is still a scam really, isn't it? I'm going with option 3. I feel like maybe they genuinely have bought lost luggage, but I think they've gone through it, they've taken out the good stuff, there was probably like electronics in there were beauty products, makeup, and then they've just thrown in some extra clothes from Primark and Boohoo and then sold it for 80 quid. Because yeah, I think that's the most suspicious thing, is they say they don't go through it beforehand, but there's not like obvious things. Who goes on holiday and doesn't take a toothbrush? There's not a hairbrush either. I mean, maybe they're bald, I don't know, but like, I just feel like everyone would have a toothbrush, there'd be some kind of toiletries in there, but there was nothing. The closest I had was a spoolie. So I feel like to me that's the biggest giveaway that this definitely has been tampered with and gone through. I think this website might be a little bit of a scam. I think that's me done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely a bit of a different one, a bit of a random one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye. Oh jeez. Bye.